Hey book friends, this book is called Daniel Tiger Cleans Up. It's a Daniel Tiger's neighborhood book. There goes Daniel, there goes O. And this book is about Daniel learning the importance of cleaning up his toys and helping others tidy up to make his room neat and organized after playtime. Yes, it's important to clean up our messes. Let's open this book. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. Daniel Tiger and O the Owl are playing farm at Daniel's house. There goes Daniel. There goes O. Look at all the animals in the barn. They are having so much fun. Let's go play in my room. I have toy food in there that we can use, Daniel tells O. Nifty-ga-lifty, says O. Whoa, farmers, before you go, Mom Tiger says, be sure you clean up. Then she sings, clean up, pick up, put away, clean up every day. Ooh, do you want to sing with me? Yeah? It goes, clean up, pick up, put away, clean up every day. That's a nice little melody. Can you help Daniel and O put the toy barn away? Move it next to the basket of other toys. Do you see the barn? It's right here. Let's move it. Let's move it to the bin. Here we go. Whoop. Yep, there it is. We helped, didn't we? Tiger-tastic. We're cleaning up our farm. Daniel and O look all over Daniel's room for the toy food. They can't find it. There has to be some toy food in here somewhere, says Daniel. The room is getting messy. Hoo-hoo, says O. Wait, I think I see the toy food. Can you move the beach ball? The bin of toy food is behind it. Do you see the beach ball? It's right there. Look at all that mess. Let's move the ball. Aha, I see it. There goes the bin that they're looking for. There it is, says Daniel. Now we can feed the animals. Terrific, you did it. We moved the ball. Now they can use the toy food. While Daniel and O are feeding the animals, Mom Tiger asks if they want a snack. Farmers need to eat too, you know, she says. Then O notices that Daniel's watch is missing. Uh-oh, Daniel doesn't know where it is. Mom Tiger says, I think your watch is here somewhere in your room, but it's so messy you can't find it. Daniel is missing his watch. Can you help Daniel and O clean up? First, you can put the toy food back in the clear bin. Do you see the toy food? Let's put it back in the bin. There we go. There it is. Back in the bin it goes. When we take things out, we put them back in. You did it. Cleaning up is actually kind of fun, says Daniel. And when we work together, it doesn't take very long, says O. Isn't that right? Working as a team, so much easier. Can you help O and Daniel put the toy animals in the red toy chest? Do you see there they go, the toy animals? Let's put them in this chest. Let's put them in. Oh, there they go. Terrific. You did it. There they go. Awesome. It is fun to work together. Next, Daniel and O clean up the toy cars. While they do it, they sing, clean up, pick up, put away, clean up every day. Ooh, let's sing it again. Clean up, pick up, put away, clean up every day. Can you put the yellow car in the white bin? Do you see the yellow car? There it goes. Let's put it in this white bin. Let's put it in. Boop! There it is. Thank you for helping. Cleaning even more. Do you see Daniel's watch yet? Try moving the white bin out of the way. There goes the white bin. Let's move it out of the way. Oh, here we go. Oh, I can do it. Do you see the watch? Oh, there it is. It was behind the bin. We did it, says Daniel. With everything put away, it was easier to see where my watch was. Isn't that right? Shall we go have our farmer snack now? Asked Mom Tiger. Daniel and O cheer. Hooray! Thank you for helping them pick up things and find Daniel's watch. Ugga mugga. Oh, is that what Daniel says? Ugga mugga. That's how he expresses his love. Ugga mugga, Daniel. And that's the end of Daniel Tiger Cleans Up. Yay! Did you have fun cleaning up and finding Daniel Tiger's watch? Yeah, we worked together, didn't we? That was so much fun. Remember, if you make a mess, you gotta clean it up. All right. Keep it up, book friends. Bye-bye.